Hey everyone, my name is Alex Branding. Thank you so much for joining this video. I'm going to be going over the Alex Hormozi playbook. I've picked out 15 different keys from his book, $100 Million Leads, and I'm breaking this down specifically for insurance agents. My goal is that you walk away from each of these short videos with an action item that you can apply to your business directly from the $100 Million Leads book. Now, this is not something that is done with Alex Hormozi. I'm just a huge fan. I read the book and I work with insurance agents all the time. I eat, sleep, and breathe insurance marketing. So I am taking the big concepts from this book and I'm breaking it down so that the insurance agents that are watching me and following me can apply it to their business. So what I'm going to do is take one key at a time in these short videos. And I want to start with this one. This was one of the first visual representations in the book. And it sets up so many different things inside of the book. It's all about finding your leads. What is a good buyer lead? And so, as you can see here, he's numbered these things in this circle this is a graph that shows this constant growth pattern of finding really good leads. You start with your ideal avatar. So let's say you're watching this right now, you're a PNC agent and you want to find a local mom who owns her own home and has multiple cars. So maybe she has a car with her and her husband, right? And so that's your ideal avatar. You're going after the family wife. You're going after the wife, who's a mother, owns her own home, has multiple cars. So that's your ideal avatar. So that's who you're going to be speaking to. You want to talk directly to that person. Then you're going to pick your favorite medium. Is it video? Great. Now, so you're going to make videos speaking to this woman. You're going to focus on a single platform to start. So let's say your favorite platform is Instagram. So you're going to create Instagram Reels because your medium is video, and you're going to speak directly to this woman. Now, you're going to continue to create content. As your audience grows, you're going to advertise to expedite your growth, because once you have identified, like, hey, I'm getting it. My ideal avatar is seeing my content, really resonating with my content. This is working. Then you want to advertise to expedite growth and monetize these relationships that you're attracting. Got momentum? Excellent. Now you're going to start the process again. And you're going to start either with a new avatar or changing the medium. So you go from video to blog, right? Maybe you just change the platform, or not change, because you're not leaving the first platform where you are finding momentum, but you're cross posting, right? So maybe you're making some videos and you're like, this is really working on Instagram. Now you just want to cross post over to TikTok. Here's the biggest takeaway from today. You want to make sure that you have a clearly identified avatar. You're starting with a single medium. You pick a single platform. You start creating good habits of content creation. And then once you've identified that it's working, you start advertising. So what we're going to do tomorrow, I have a new video coming out tomorrow. We're going to go over another key. Go ahead and subscribe so that you are notified when the new one comes out. And I hope you found this useful. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Hey, what's up, everyone? It is Alex Branding here. Thank you for watching. I would love to connect with you. Please follow me on your favorite social media platform. My username is Alex Branding, and you should definitely get Alex Hormozi's book. Go to acquisition.com/books. Grab the $100 million leads and all the other stuff he offers. He is a fantastic author and probably one of the best in the marketing game right now. So follow him, buy his stuff, and I will see you tomorrow. Go ahead and subscribe.